Introducing Drag Asset Info, the new tool designed to automate data entry, export and database updates, making asset data collection simple and accurate. It's all about streamlining the process. You, the employee, just fill in the required details on one straightforward form, including your employee ID, email ID, first name, last name, location, region, contact number, asset type, asset tag, and remark. Once you've entered your information and verified everything, simply click the Submit button. The application instantly gets to work. It exports data to Excel, including your input, plus laptop configuration details, such as hostname, serial number, processor, RAM, hard disk, MAC address, Microsoft Office version, Microsoft Office product key, operating system, and more. At the same time, all the details are updated in a MySQL database with real-time synchronization. The Drag Asset Info tool is an excellent resource for companies looking to efficiently gather asset details of allocated laptops and desktops to users. It simplifies the process and helps ensure the accuracy of asset information. Thank you for watching. We hope you like the simplicity and usefulness of Drag Asset Info tool.